Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The reason why I wasn't posting much last week, on Saturday last week, was because I was on vacation and I did not bring my computer, so I couldn't record. Because I kind of played Roblox on my computer. So, yeah. And I have not been on Blacksburg in a while. So, yeah, we're gonna finish the house. I just realized that last time I forgot to color the doors. That door's like the same. But we forgot to color these doors. Okay, so let's get into build mode. And color the doors down here. Okay. And yes, I still have the picture of it. Just in case you guys don't know. I have no idea what color to make it. That's good for now. Probably gonna change it later. Upstairs at night. I'll have to change all the doors. But, yeah. It's fine. In the store. Change. And I'll do the same for all of these doors upstairs. Okay, now that I got all these doors colored, I'm gonna start on a new room. And, I don't know what I'm gonna start on. Was there only gonna be one bathroom up here? How many bathrooms are downstairs? One. Okay. I guess that's fine. And let's... Actually, I barely even need the picture of the house. Okay. I'll start on this room. I think it was supposed to be a room. I hope it was supposed to be a room. Oh yes. This is like the kid in the playroom. This is a room. This is the master bedroom. And this is the bathroom. So yeah, let's get started on this room. Decorate. Beds. This one. I'm gonna change this. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm gonna color the bed. There's really nothing else to do for this room, because you can't fit anything. Maybe this was supposed to be the playroom. I'm not sure. At all. Oh gosh, now it's raining. Tables. Still doing it. I'll just use this table. There, I guess. That's okay. What? Oh, there it is. It's like blends in with the floor. That's why I didn't realize that. There. Now I'm gonna move this side actually. See if it's any better. I guess so. Decoration. Actually, no. Lighting. I like this one. Even though it's kind of HP too. Color that I do. That color. So that's not spray as white. You can really see that color. That one was like the pink one. I guess you can say. This one should be like a white room. Okay then. Now, what? Jeez. Okay. Sorry if there's a lot of background noise. It's my cat playing with things. I'm gonna put a picture. Not. Oh, playing with goggles. That's weird, but okay. Did I have any that I didn't use? I don't think so. I'm just gonna use this one. Did I use this one? This wall? No, I didn't. So I'm gonna put it here. That kind of matches the room, I guess you can say. I wonder how bright that is. That's not bad. Yeah, that's pretty bright. I'll get rid of that part. That's good, I guess. I just need to move one light. No, not good. Oh, light. Oh, here. There we go. I was about to put two light switches down. That wouldn't make any sense. Okay. My gosh. Oh wow. Nice. Now, since I have a little bit of time, I'm just going to end the video. You can go inside the house and see what it looks like. So, this is the inside, obviously. I really like this picture for some reason. This kitchen. But when you walk in, you have to jump over here. That's why I didn't add a fence. This little area and dining room. this is a bathroom. Should we do the kitchen and the living room? I always do living rooms this way. And I can't think of any other ways to do it, so yeah. These are pictures, obviously. I was gonna go in here, but this wall and this wall are not the same. Well, so can't do that. And garage. Should have added a picture there. I don't have enough pictures. I could have added one though. And up to upstairs. Oops. Okay. This is a room. Just a room. I don't know what room it's gonna be. Like when I room. I'm probably not gonna play in this house. This room's about to be a kid's room, playroom, whatever you want to call it. This room I just made, like you saw. Ooh, that's kind of cool though. That makes it better, I guess. And then the closet and this. I don't know what else to add because it was really small. I should add lighting, like around here, because it's harder to see. Or because it's hard to see. When you walk in this room, you don't think it's gonna be big. Because, like, look at this entrance. Here, and you can see it goes all the way down there. So you think it's not gonna be big. But then when you walk in, it's huge. I don't think I've ever made one this big. The master bedroom that I'm going to make. And this is very dark. And you already know what it's going to be. A bathroom. Because it's really small. And it probably can't even fit a bed. One bed. Anyways, that was the end of this video. I hope you liked it. And yeah. See you next time. Bye!